Hi guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm here at the Chevy dealership, and I noticed something unique that we don't see much anymore. It's the Pontiac Fiero. I think that's how you call them. And personally, I remember the Fiero, and it was newer, and it was kind of always like a little bit of a car where people made jokes about because it was kind of plasticky. It was supposed to look like a Trans Am or Firebird in small. It's like a mini Trans Am or a mini Firebird, and it was supposed to look like a sports car, but it had a rear engine too. Very cool, but it was really weak. The engine was gutless, and they were full of problems, and I dare say it's kind of a fail in the automotive history. But on the other hand, it's a quirky, unique vehicle that we kind of miss now, because we don't get that anymore. All the new vehicles look the same. All the trucks look a little bit the same, all the SUVs do. And I know back in the 50s and 40s, a lot of cars look the same too. You're right, I know someone will say that, but anyways, let's go back to the Fiero here. This one looks like someone bought it and cleaned it up a little bit, wiped it down. I see there's new bolts on the wheels here. I see the brakes are new, which is good. I'll see a new battery in there. You can see the little peek at the engine in there, and I'll put the info of the engine in the description, so, or in the video, so you can see what engines they came with when they were new. I can tell that the interior is very much original. You see, very dusty, very dirty. A couple aftermarket things on it, but most of it is still pretty good. So if someone really wants to restore this one, I think this is a good example. Just needs to get new paint, mechanically intact, and then yeah, you got your mini sports car again. So it's all right if people like it. I mean, it wouldn't be for me. I still think it's a little bit sad that it had such a gutless engine, and it looked faster than it ever was. And they were full of problems too, not very reliable, without getting into the details. But it's up to you. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think. Do you like the Pontiac Fiero? Do you own one? What do you think? At least this one has new tires, new brakes, so yeah, the value went up already. All right guys, I think there's some storm coming in, so I better get out of here. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up. I enjoy it, and have a wonderful day.